3B hair is perfection. Because it's not like 4C hair. 4C hair, you're done out. If you have 4C hair, shut your mouth.
All you're doing is spitting and yapping at us. This is a yap session. Cause who are you talking to? 4C hair, you're done out, 4C hair, you're done out. What? Are you okay? This is texturism. Texturism. What's not clicking? Saying one texture is better than the other based on a list that you presented. What is this based on? Because there's no possible way you've experienced all of these textures. This is just your perception, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Am I right? Am I wrong? Okay, great. So, 4C hair is very beautiful. It's versatile. It can be straight. It can be curly. I can define these curls. I can leave it in an afro right now. Well, why I gotta tell you that? Because this is texturism. You got things you need to work on internally. And why would I want my goal to be mistaken for straight hair? Like, my goal is to have straight hair? Like, are you okay? I just him with the list and the pencil for me. Like, he thinks he's saying something. Okay.